Welcome to HPM Tech. Today's new video. Download latest Google Play Store 3.4.10. Developed by Android Mac, this Google Play Store is a digital app game description in the service and every Android OS smartphone. The Google Play Store service, the official app developed by Android. New is the version Google Play Store, a digital app canvas display displays service in every Android OS smartphone. Play Store service is the official app store allows your fund and download app, games, magazines, and much more. Download summary, someone funds app in order to keep your drives. Google Play Store updated to date in latest available version. You can stay connected with this page, which regularly provides you with an easy way to simply download and install the latest version of the Google Play Store. Joining some need fans on the Telegram. First click check Google Play Store version your phone connected this page. Download and install latest version and keep your order in your Google Play Store version. You can stay connected this page. Join and fans Telegram. First Google Play Store version check your own phone. First open your Google Play Store app. Open the settings. Scroll to the buttons. Find the Play Store version there. Follow some new fans and Google News. How to get latest Google Play Store. You can update the Google Play Store from the app address left on your Google. You can also sideload and the latest version target third-party source. However, you don't recommend it. Doing so, flat the latest version on Google Play Store is 31.4.10. Download here for some device that in latest version of Google Play Store is 31.3.19 is per APK mirror. Samsung devices are also powered by Google Android, so every Galaxy smartphone owner use Play Store is official app store asset from the Play Store. Samsung phone also come installs store app. Their service application are available to target the Play Store. Some and themes useful. Samsung device powerful are also and every so Galaxy smartphone owner use store official asset Google Play Store Smart and the pre-installed Galaxy Store app devices are all powerful and so every Galaxy's owner comfortable install. They are several and the application are availability target the Play Store. Some of them are free of cost will and some are paid. Android users you can easily get any millions applications directly on the smartphone. Compy install store ask the Play Store and use the Samsung also come stop Google Play Store install Galaxy app several in the target. Some theme are free cost will in the paid Android user easily any millions application the smartphone directly on this Google Play Store. Percent people which personalized collection of app and games basic on created such is the user's past activities action these and trying to complete location and measures event. Google Play Stores recorded billions of downloads in single years. It is also provides user with information about this app are downloading and allows them in the red particular application and share this experience which in future helps the other users directly on this and Google Pay percent peoples of app and the games basic on such activities action trying to complete location record billions of downloads simply yes information about the app are download and allows them read into particulars application experience which in the future helpful other user before download this app. Play Store show all necessary information about particular app such as reviews package size number of download age rating as well also provided information about experience which is well for the best user experience and maintains property of the Play Store continuously keep in the replacing our version never ends. Every single update to the Google Play Store improves its basic features to provide more choices user choose from. The topic download Google Play Stores. Your emails is not published referenced and them and the share is experience future helpful rate and the other application show and about is will ask it keep preparing version in the news and Google Play Stores download latest Play Store app and published 3 days ago on July 14, 2022. and app version 3.4 and 5 and other information. Your email address will publish reflected. Marketers like and subscribe, press the bell icon for latest vision updates.